Welcome to the Elmina Living Collection Nursery. So I'm about to take you into the nursery where we can explore the germination beds and where we look after the endangered tree species. Come with me. So these are our germination beds. So what happens is the seeds are being collected from the rainforest, are brought over to the nursery for seed processing, and then they're placed into these germination beds to germinate. So now I'm going to introduce you to the Elmina team, and they're going to be going through the nursery with you in a lot more detail, covering in a lot more detail of all the different species that you can find here and the whole process from seed to tree.
Hi, I'm Munira.
Hi, I'm Hyrule.
My name is Tashwini and I'll be explaining more about our nursery. In our Elmina nursery, we have many seedling beds where we germinate our various seeds. So we mostly germinate seeds from the family of Dipterocarpaceae. Dipterocarpaceae is one of the most important families in Malaysia. When you enter the Malaysian rainforest, you are most likely to find many big trees which belong to this family. 80% of the Malaysian rainforest canopy is dominated by this family, and they are heavily logged for their prized timber. The seeds or the fruits of this family mostly have wings. They have sometimes 3 wings, 2 wings, and some have no wings.
In this germination bed, we have Hokkaido sapalatra. Its common name is Merawan kancing, or also known as giam kancing. This species only endemic in Kancing forest reserve. So you cannot find this species other than Kancing forest reserve. It is very critically endangered in IUCN list. The seeds has no wings as like other Dipterocarps.
So right now you must have known about our Dipterocarp family. So what I have here is a species of Vatika, or locally known as resak. So this is Vatika chongi. So this rare and small species is being found by our local frame researcher named Chang Yi Chong. Here is the sample of a fruit of Vatika. As you can see, the wings is quite different from other species. Vatika chongi is a critical endangered in our IUCN status. The reason we're doing this germination in our nursery is to increase the population of this species through our restoration project.
Thank you, Hyrule. Now, this is a merbau seed. So merbau belongs to the legume family, which is different from the previously mentioned Dipterocarpaceae family. Before you start sowing the seeds, you have to first process the seeds. So you have to scar at both edges of this seed in order to facilitate water uptake. This is how a germinated merbau seed look like. So the roots will start to move towards the soil to look for water, and the cotyledons, they remain intact at this stage. This is around 1 week after germination. On this merbau seed, you can see the shoots. They are starting to move towards the sun, and you can see the leaves. Okay, so this merbau is ready for transplant. Merbau is our national tree. It is the pride of our nation because of its big, tall, and strong characteristics.
So other than timber species from the Dipterocarpaceae, or like you've heard, the Fabaceae family, we also collect wild fruit trees as well. So what you see here, this is the perah, is buah perah. It's also food for the orang asli. So how the orang asli eat these seeds is that it's boiled over about 2 to 3 times, and then it becomes soft, and that's how they eat this.
Let's go!
So this is our holding area. And what I'm holding here is a species called Hopia helferi, otherwise known as lintah bukit. It's endangered on the IUCN Red List. How we know that the seedlings are ready to be transplanted into a polybag is that the cotyledons have fallen off and it's developed its main primary branches, and it's reached a certain height where it's ready to be transplanted into a polybag. So all the species that we germinate are kept in our holding area for a period of 1 to 2 years for a hardening process before they're planted into the wild. I hope that you've enjoyed the tour of our nursery, and I hope you've got to learn a little bit more about how to save Malaysia's rainforests.
Stay tuned for our upcoming programs in Elmina.